Hey there, I'm Aanchal, and I'm so excited to meet you. I know that math can sometimes feel overwhelming, but I'm here to show you that it can actually be fun and something you will look forward to. I've been teaching math for over 8 years, 6 years in schools, and 2 years online. I've worked with students from all over the globe. Whether you're in US, Australia, Saudi, Dubai, China, Thailand, or anywhere else, we will connect and make math your superpower. I use techniques like Vedic math and Abacus to speed up problem solving and make it easier to understand. So, what I love about teaching online is the opportunity to really connect with you and understand how you learn best. My lessons are interactive, fun, and completely tailored to what you need. I have helped many students improve their mental speed by up to 50%, and I'm confident you'll see the progress too. So, are you ready to make math your favorite subject? Book a trial lesson with me, and let's start this exciting journey together. Thanks for checking out my profile. I can't wait to meet you and start our math adventure together. See you soon.